Hey dears, I'm here with donuts recipe. Hope you like it. The ingredients are 4 glasses or 600 gram flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast, the tip of a teaspoon salt, the tip of a teaspoon vanilla, 1 glass of warm milk, 100 gram butter, 2 eggs. Mix flour, salt, sugar, yeast and vanilla. Add warm milk, egg and butter. First mix them well with spoon. Then sprinkle flour. Knead it with your palm for 15 minutes. We see a soft dough that doesn't stick to the hands. Grease a bowl with oil. Place the dough in the bowl. Cover it. Let it rest for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
After an hour, we get the dough puff. Sprinkle flour on the surface. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out until it is 1 centimeter thick. Then we mold the dough. Cover it. Let the dough rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put them in oil. After frying both sides, place them in dish and decorate it with sugar or chocolate syrup. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.